Hi, this is Tracy Tran from 𝗧𝗿 𝗊𝗃 Realty. We are planning to schedule an open house at 29 West 395 John Barden Drive in Waterview this Sunday from 12 to 2. Come and see this beautiful property that has recently been remodeled. This charming 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and unfinished basement. When you step inside, you will immediately notice the stunning white kitchen with granite countertop. The family room features a cozy fireplace and recessed lighting. This beautiful home is perfect for those looking for spaces and cozy living space. Don't miss your chance. Join us this Sunday from 12 to 2 at 29 West 395 John Barden in Waterview. If you cannot make it on Sunday, please contact me at 630-890-8947 for more detail. I can't wait to see you there. Thanks. Bye.